And here we are at the villas at the Disneyland Hotel, and this is room 0834. And in we go. I'm sure the door will open.
Hi.
And Dan, what is this room?
The Deluxe Studio.
Deluxe Studio. We stayed in one of these in March, but we are here again, and we are very lucky because we're also going to be getting a different room at the end of this as well. And that is what we're staying in?
A Duo Studio.
Yeah, so going to be the really small ones, which is going to be nice for us to see. Anyway, Dan's going to give you a tour of the room while I film.
Oh, I forgot how much I love these bathrooms. So we have a split bathroom. So we have the sink area, loads of space, which is good because I was like, all my stuff's going to go. Nice detailing because these are Princess and the Frog themed. Party shower with a seat, which ladies, so good to shave your legs with. Toilet has its own room with tiki room, Trader Sam's.
Is this then the tiki toilet room?
Yeah, sure. Go that way. And this does have a sliding door. It has a lock just there. Same with the toilet, it has a slidey door. Big mirror. Very good for getting ready. Very good for doing makeup if you wear makeup. Then you come into the main space. Ooh. Thermostat is right here. Don't look at the dust on that. That's the problem with this sort of plastic, it does accumulate dust very quickly. So we'll start with the kitchen area. We have a sink. We have lots of different types. Oh, you can have a tea. Lots of different types of coffee. You've got your condiment kit. All of your required crockery. Your knives and forks, bowls, plates, cups, glasses in there. And if I do remember, the Keurig with these cups is not the best. Then you've got your toaster, your ice bucket, microwave. And then a decent sized fridge. Oh, it's nice and cold. And then under here we'll have our washing up stuff and kitchen roll. And then turning around, this is a Murphy bed. I'm not going to get it down.
Cupboards?
There are cupboards. I'll come to the cupboards. But this does pull down, so this does sleep 4. And you just move this out the way. Cupboards. Robes. We do have 2 robes this time. Yeah.
We may or may not use those later once we've had a relax.
And then this is just your safe with your steam ironing board. You do have a laundry basket there too, and extra pillows and blankets if you need them for whatever reason. There is a list here as well of everything that is in here and what you can request, which is good. And then yeah, this is a Murphy bed. It does pull down. It comes with its own light controls.
What we should do is we should put the camera down at the end of this and actually show you.
Yes. And then you've got a little puffy table thing. Storage. These drawers are decent size. They're all the same. And again, lots more counter space. Gigantic TV. Another mirror. Cupboard storage. Phone, should you like it. Oh, you're gonna light the mirror up. Little sofa, which is good for like putting your shoes on and stuff. And then the gigantic bed with the backlight, and then these small lights here. Dimmable ones. This does also light up. It is currently lit up, but I don't think you can tell because it's daylight.
Correct.
You've got little bedside tables on both sides with plug sockets and USB-Cs and USB-A's.
Which is nice because most of the hotels we've recently stayed at don't have on both. Right, let's get the Murphy bed out for people.
I think I can do it on my own actually.
Can you?
Yeah, it's not heavy.
So if there are more of you than us, so like, we are very fortunate, it's just us two. And this is exactly the same as what is at the Poly Tower and the Riviera Resort in Disney World.
And as you can see, this folds down on
Indeed.
its own, although you need to remove those. Yes, I do. They then live there. That is the bed, and that's what the pillows are for up here. And it has its own little light at the top. And again, plug sockets, it's over that side, with 2 USB A's. And let me turn on that light. Get a lot of steps in doing this. Aha. Very Disney Cruise-esque.
Yes, I would agree with that.
And then to put this back up, this is where it's fun. Including sheets. And then these just go back on here.
And historically, again, having stayed here before, unless anything's changed, and we will tell you otherwise, water pressure in the shower is exceptionally good, and actually the stuff within the shower is the standard effective H2O Disney stuff that they've just rebranded ever so slightly. But other than that,
I was gonna say that's a little bit dusty.
okay.
But
Other than that, good enough room.